Okay, I think we're ready and good. I could not wait the last 30 seconds. I was like, I need to start. It's pretty late. Good my morning to everybody's other time zones. Hi Coffee, what's up? Yes, almost happy Ramadan, inshallah. I mean, it's always tentative when Ramadan is, unless you, well, yep, got it, timer ended. Unless the people who decide on these stuff see, like with telescopes, the new moon. So if, and I'm guessing it is highly likely, this evening they see the moon, then tomorrow is going to be Ramadan. So yeah, it is still tentative and it will be announced on the news, most likely tonight, this evening. Yeah. Hello. It's a Friday for me, and it's the last day of February, right? Okay, so I do have like a plan and a half for this stream. First plan is continuation, but hopefully finishing this Gradio section. Second plan is I'm gonna plan for March because March is Ramadan and Ramadan schedule is different. I did start thinking about it yesterday, and I have a plan, but I don't know how much talking I should involve. I know I can talk, but should I? Okay. So, yeah, that's, I think in like maybe when I finish the quiz and everything here, I'm gonna plan our March. Yeah, it's our March. It's not my March, I suppose, but still. Wow. Yeah, March. Okay. Because yeah, even like the HuggingFace course is also one. So there's the small course and the agent course. So yeah, all of that. So I'm gonna start from the continuation, and then when we feel like it, we'll get to the planning. Last thing we did last time was the flipping of the text using Gradio live. So it was, yeah, interactive. When you do it, it happens live. Yep. And next one is customizing the layout of our demo. How can we use blocks to customize the layout of our demo? By default, blocks render the components that you create vertically in one column. Right. You'll miss the... No worries. Sure, I can post it on Discord. Okay. Thank you for being here, and please do note that you don't have to be here. When you have other things, you can just do that. And if you feel like telling me, you can message me. That's cool. But I do appreciate the fact that you are going to be here for a bit. You can change that by creating additional... Oh, hi, Michael. What's up? How are you doing? How's life doing? It's the end of February. Additional columns with Gradio column or rows with Gradio.row. Okay. And creating components within those contests. Here's what you should keep in mind. Any components created under column, by default, a column, okay, will be laid out vertically, fair, and that horizontally for rows. Yep. Flexbox model in web development. Oh, okay. Finally, you can also create tabs for your demo. I love tabs. With Gradio.tabs context manager. Within this context, you can create multiple tabs by specifying with Gradio tab item, name of tab. That easily, okay. So these are children, right? any component created inside of a with Gradio tab item appears in that tab. So you can just say, okay, tab number 1 here, and then you just call a new tab next. So for our, we're adding a flip image function to our demo. So we have the flip text side. We're doing a flip image. Okay. I think I need to mute myself for a second. We're back. Okay. Below is an example of tabs. So we have our flip text, our flip image. Ooh, that's cool. Flip LR. And then with, here's our demo that starts with a, I'm guessing a title, but why didn't we call it a title? Like put it, would it help if we put, because it says this is a markdown. So if I do like ## and then run it, would it make a difference? And then with, again, everything starts with a with. Cool. Tabs. Oh God. Whoa. Hi.
Lo-fi_247 just followed.
Thank you, Lo-fi.
L welcomes you.
24/7. That's a, I'm guessing you run a Lo-fi 24/7 thing. Thank you. If you feel like saying hi, please do. Nice. I was very, nice. Cool. Lovely. Wait, is that Lo-fi girl? Actual Lo-fi girl? I don't think so, right? I'm looking at their channel now. How are you following me even though you're live? Interesting. Very interesting. Very interesting. Oh no. Botrix is late. Why? They're probably doing something. I was watching this video on the consumer electronics thingy. And I'm guessing they were watching the same video and joined late. I don't think I use the bot as much as I should. Right? I remember adding some commands. I've forgotten them. But those are not bot commands. They are just Twitch commands. Anywho. Right. So here's our tab 1 for the flipping of the text, and then tab 2. And a row, you indent and you add your stuff. Cool. We didn't call column because columns are the default. And this is how fancy it looks. Oh no, the hash didn't work. Whoops. Do I call it like a header? Because it says markdown. I assumed markdown would work. Interesting. Worth a try. I probably can, I don't know. Do I have a hi? No, I don't. I added some stuff, I swear. I am not distracted right now. I am not looking at my settings. It would be in Creator Dashboard, right? Probably. And then it would be under Settings? No. Community? No. Content? I doubt it. Viewer rewards? I don't think so. Huh. Streaming tools? No. I'll stop. I'll go back. Oh, really? Oh, hey. There are, okay, so it was a bot thingy and it did work on this side. Hold up. Where did you get it? Did you get it on YouTube? Oh. There aren't any. I don't have it for that bot. Anyway, I do remember adding some emojis for a command that I will not say because it's fun to figure it out. Yeah, I saw none as well. I mean, I am very sure I added like the default of like socials, if it's there anymore. Socials. Does it work? Ouch! I'm hurt. Is that how socials written? Oh, yes. Cool. Nice. I was thinking about like doing a revamp. Maybe those commands should be a part of the revamp. No. Everything that I did was for Twitch. I'm very sure about that part. Nothing on YouTube. But yeah, I think I want to do a Ramadan revamp and like just add stars and moons somewhere. And maybe those commands could be a part of that. And that was that. Text, hold up. Text box here, input, image, output, and then button. Are these buttons not a part of the tab? Yes, they are. So how, oh, there it is. Button 1, button 2. Okay. And then we give them the commands later. I like that. Cool. Oh, it looks very different here. Omo. That's weird. Okay. You'll notice that in this example, you also created a button component in each tab, but assigned it later. Yeah, that's what I noticed. Exactly what I noticed. Exploring events and state. Okay, I'm being really sneezy this morning, and I will mute myself when I sneeze, but I feel like I feel one coming, and it's very annoying. Okay, sorry. Just as you control the layout, blocks gives you fine-grained control over what events trigger function calls. Isn't that just like any UI thing? Each component and many layouts have specific events that they support. Okay, impress me. For example, the text box component has 2 events: change, when the value inside the text box changes, and submit. So like listener events, like on text change, on I don't know what, on click, on hover, on think about looking at. When a user presses the enter key while focused on the text box. Right. Oh, so okay, on enter. That's also a thing, but you have to do it for the text box, not the button. More complex, oh, that is text box. We are talking about the text box. Yeah. More complex components can have more events. For example, the auto component also has separate events for when the audio, not auto. Okay. I am not thinking about cars. I swear. Not right now. Yes, the audio file is played, cleared, paused, etc. Whenever I see etc, all I can think about is the joke that says end of thinking capacity. For myself, not for people. I'm like writing stuff and then saying end of thinking capacity because when I say that, I remember which letters come before which, etc and not ect, you know? I don't know why I used to confuse those. I don't anymore. See the documentation for the other stuff. Cool. You can attach event triggers. You can attach event trigger to none, one or more of these events. you create an event trigger by calling the name of event on the component instant, like this one that we did here, .click. On the component instance as a function, like textbox.change, button.click. Function takes 3 parameters. The function, the input, and the output. Right. I'm not going to read those because that's pretty obvious. And you can even make the input and output component be same. Ooh. As we do in this example, uses a GPT model to do text completion. Oh. Hi, Lofi. Wait, your name was Abdurrahman, I think. Ramadan Mubarak to you too. What's up? How is Ramadan prep going? In my head, my Ramadan prep, I know that's a bit selfish, but it's like, okay, how will my sleep schedule survive? Because I wake up around like 6:30 in the morning every day, weekends included, thanks to my streaming. And I don't know if I want it to survive. Because it's not going to be difficult fasting. It's winter. And I should limit my talking if I don't want to be parched. And I won't be hungry because I just have a big I normally have a big breakfast and then dinner. I don't take lunch at work. So yeah, it's pretty very everything is in place. And I know Ramadan is not only about food, it's also about, the religious component of like the soul. So I should also prepare for that. The reading of the Quran and dhikr. Is dhikr remembrance? What is dhikr in English? Like the equivalent. I know dhikr is just dhikr in English as well. Dhikr. The dhikr. So dua is prayer, but dhikr I'm not sure. You can take a break from streaming if you want. No. Thank you. That's kind. I could do whatever I like. So dhikr is remembrance. Yeah. Dua is what? Supplication? What does that even mean? I guess it means dua. So it's not prayer. Prayer is the actual prayer. Interesting. Hi. So Bach addict. Hello. Hi. I don't think I talked to you last time. What's up? How are you doing? I was very busy talking to Nep. Sorry. So I was testing commands. None of them worked. I remember adding some commands. Yep. Just got home from work. Oh, what is that? Cute. Oh, wow. It's actually a Nep. Okay. Wait. Brain. Welcome back. I hope you had a normal-ish day. Because, when it's normal, when it's routine, then it's good. But if it's bad, if it's good, So yeah, welcome back. I hope you have time to... Oh, Kiyawa. It was good. That's amazing. Now it's like, when you get home, I feel like a flip switches and you're like home mode. So sometimes... thank you, Coffee, for being here. Thank you. See you next time when you feel like it. Sometimes I don't turn on this home mode because I know I have to go out later. But when the home mode turns on, nothing can move me. I become a couch pillow. Yeah. I hear that programmers don't fast. How dare you? How dare you? I suppose I'm not exactly a programmer because I work with data, but obviously I code. So I don't know if I give titles, man, titles. Like I would like to call myself a data scientist, but I don't have that title at work. Yeah. So I will take away the programmer title for myself if it means I shouldn't fast. And also, like, are programmers ever awake? I'm not gonna be programmerist. Wait, is that? I'm not gonna be generalizing. Oh wow, idea of switching off is very severance. I suppose. Buy coffee. Everybody say buy coffee so that they go away and stop chatting. Bye. Yeah, not to the Severance level. But yeah. I have not watched Severance. I'm too scared to watch it. You know, when something gets too hyped. That is a very much a real cat on my arm, but as real as they get. Can I think it's okay. Let me show you the cat. There is the cat. She likes being on the stream. I have a cat, a snake, and a robot dog that I can put next to myself. Thank you, Michael. Michael, whenever I ask a question, you never answer. Why is that? That's also a question. I mean, I get it if you don't feel like it, but also, why am I being so talkative today? Coffee drinking break. Okay. Yeah. My talkativeness is not helping. Well, the cat fast. Oh my God, every morning I step out into the, I suppose I can call it the garden. The cats swarm me, like feed me. So no, our cats will not be fasting. We already gave them, I mean, we recently bought them food, so they have food for the whole month. Even if I die, they'll be fine. Yeah, I think every morning I feed around 3 to 6 cats. All of them are stray cats, so like they are garden cats, not inside cats. I don't like inside. I feel like if you, at least in my area, if you move a stray cat into an indoor cat, you're taking away something from them. The freedom of like moving around in a safe place. But if it's not a safe place, then okay, make them an indoor cat. Anyway. Oh, wow. Which question? I literally asked you. Did I not ask you how are you doing? Is that not a question? Fine. I guess it can be just like chatter instead of question. I was like, it's the end of February, Michael. How's it going? How's life doing? Stuff like that, you know? I actually do expect an answer if you feel like it again. I'm not holding a gun to anyone's head. Yeah. Does anybody here have a pet? Because I don't consider our cats actual pets, but like they are companions. Because like 90% of the cats don't want, oh my God, hi, sorry. I'm streaming on YouTube and Twitch, so sometimes I answer to the YouTube chat. I have to remind myself you're talking to someone else. I am talking to someone else. Sorry, Michael. And also, if you don't feel comfortable telling me your actual name, you don't have to. Because your current name is pretty cool. Bach, as in the musician, right? Question: do you stream? Oh my god, you do! Hi! Cool. Okay, I'll check that out later. No. Hold up. No, if that was me, it would be back. Exactly. Joanne? Sebastian? Huh? That's why I know. Literally, so on the YouTube side, there's a lovely person that sometimes joins our chat whose name is Silent Michael. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm not going to bother Silent Michael. I won't ask too many questions. There's a reason they put silent next to their name. So yeah. Oh, okay. So I actually didn't know Buck's full name. But why is it? Their name was Joe, as in, isn't Joanne? No, the Joanne, as in this is John, right? I don't know. Because Joanne is Joanne, the way it's spelled for like women, I suppose. But, right. Oh, wow. Their birthday is March 31st. They'll be born in a month. Because like in Arabic, John is Johanna, I guess. Anyway. Oh, hey, it is the same. Woohoo. Yohun. Okay, I suppose. Yeah. Very close. Very, very close. Joannes or something. Exactly. It's a form of John. So Johanna is the Arabic form of John. Yeah, I really like knowing the different forms of, I guess, biblical names. Like Michael is Mikael. Yeah. And then John is Johanna, and then David is Dawood. Yeah, I like knowing these. It's like a fun trivia thingy. What else? There are multiple ones. Like when coffee's around, I just chill and listen. But for real, I do chat. Like, thank you, Michael. Thank you, SM, Silent Michael. Oh, okay. I'll stop bullying you. I'm sorry for bullying you into talking. You still have not answered my question of how are you doing? Yay! Oh wow! So you do. Oh, okay. You have like German roots. Parents decided to call me the English way rather than the German one. That is understandable. That is absolutely understandable. Yeah. Here, like a lot of people have those names. I mean, not. I doubt I know someone named Johanna. Definitely. But like the Davids and the like Benjamins and what else? We have a lot of those names. Yeah. My brothers Ira and Tobias get the German pronunciation at home and English from others, huh? I'm guessing I did the American style one. I decided to give myself an American accent and I went with it. Because I guess I've said this before, but like here we study British English, we don't study, yeah, you know. So yeah, the government teaches us about escalators instead of elevators and hallways instead of, wait, I forgot. I'm trying to find this the differences. What else? Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Silent Michael, and thank you, Bach, and all the Michaels in the world, and the Johns. We appreciate your existence. Oh yeah. Oh, So here you give it back the text, but it has to be the full text, right? Yeah, here's the plus. Fair. So if we run that code, would it take a while because it's calling the ChatGPT thingy? But it has to be like a smaller version. It did not take a while. Type here and press enter. Hello, okay. Hello. My name is. Hey, I pressed enter, nothing happened. Just let's call it generate. It would be funny if it said my name. I doubt it will. I'm expecting a John though. Would it work here? Today is, and then enter. Click. Button click. It's not on enter, dude. It's like making fun of me. Yeah, I expected that part to be long, and it is like 30 seconds later. And I just made 2 calls. So let's come back to this when it's ready. All right. Creating multi-step demos. We have this much, and then we'll get to the quiz. All right, multi-step demos. Oh, wow, that's still loading. I mean, calling the API. In some cases, you might want a multi-step demo. Multi-step. What do you mean by that? In which you reuse the output of one function as input for the next. Okay. So for example, we have a text. So my example would be, oh, okay, I see it. I see it here. ASR, automatic speech recognition. You talk into it, it turns it into text, and then the text is then classified, put it into a classification. Classified and put into classification are 2 different words. Very interesting. Oh, hi! Hello, Buck on the other side. What's up? This became hello on the other side. Hi, Michael. Hi, all the Michaels. Every Michael. How are we doing? Sorry, I just stalked you and realized that I think you can play the piano. That is very cool. Okay, I'll go back to my learning and stop stalking people live. I'll do it in my own term. Yeah, I mean, obviously you play the piano because you have a favorite composer. Duh, me. Duh, me. Okay. Yeah. I also currently have a piano within an arm's reach, but I don't play. It's not mine. I borrowed it because I was like, I'm feeling like I want to play the piano as if it's that easy. And then I Googled like easy piano. And then I did You Are My Sunshine. So I do have some experience, maybe not years, maybe like half an hour of experience. People who play the piano are really cool. But I do play the keyboard. I woke up, forget. Oh, I'm glad that you are all right. Okay, forgot to make coffee while I was leaving. No, anyway, I'm considering fasting too. Though you're not Muslim, might be help you spiritually and mentally. That's cool. So the thing about fasting is that I do believe it frees up some of your brain capacity, like, because I like eating. I'm a human that likes to eat, and a good percentage of my brain power is like, what do I eat next? So when you fast, you're like, you just close that tab, and you could try it for fun. I'm not gonna peer pressure you into anything, but if you feel like it, you can try it for fun. And you could do the easy version, which is where you drink water, or you could do the hard mode, whichever you feel like it. And if you have questions or like, because you do realize people eat food and then start fasting. It's not like you go to sleep and then you wake up without eating anything. People wake up an hour before sunrise, eat food, drink, and then most everybody goes back to sleep. Yeah. Okay. Yay, you play the piano. Yeah. When I was like, maybe in like middle school, one of my siblings like even bought me a piano, if you can believe that, and encouraged me to learn. And past me didn't. I'm not disappointed in her. I'm just, I'm not mad. I'm just, you're like, girl, you had time. You could have learned. I mean, I know where middle C is, but that's all I know. Come on, don't you dare call my viewers cheap. And we put you in a timeout. Okay, thanks, bye. There we go. Anyway, they're like, get cheap viewers. I'm like, how dare you? Yeah. So, like, I have non-Muslim coworkers, and I don't think anyone has asked, I feel like fasting. I don't think that. But I know people who are like, I want to try it, and some of them do it for like half a day, which is basically intermittent fasting, which is a fancy style of fasting that people sometimes do. So, using the pipeline to call ASR Wave to Vec, one of my favorite models. ASR. Whisper would do the same. Yeah, you could either, oh wait, I need to know. Oh my god, this is still going. Wait, why? Is the other one also still going? Oh, okay, error. Thank you. At least we have an error. And then we have a classifier that we did not specify. Our demo has an audio file. Wait, it's not a recording? I'd rather it be a recording. And then a text, a label, and then it recognizes speech and classifies sentiment. For example, I am not disappointed in my past self. I'm just mad. And then, but I don't want to drop the audio. I wanted to record, which can be done. I just forgot the Gradio element thingy. And then you say button click, speech to text, which takes the speech, gives it to the ASR pipeline, asks for text, and then gets text back in return. And then muting myself for a second. Okay, we're back. We give the text to the sentiment classifier. So now, input is text, but where is text? Hold up, where is text? Oh, it's that text. We are in the same scope. Got it. Cool. Because I was like, is it a global thing? It wasn't. Nice. Can I make this an audio recording? How can I make this an audio recording? GR mic audio. Oh, I should have written Gradio. There it is. What? Am I streaming? Do we have internet? Hold up, what the hell happened? Okay, I am streaming. Cause like I'm getting this and I'm like, are you kidding?
Cool. Any questions here?
Oh, sorry, CMU. Internet is fine, right? It just this website doesn't work. My heart stopped. Gradio, microphone. Yes. Oh my God, what the hell? Does just Gradio not work? Okay, GitHub works. I had a heart attack just now. And it is source microphone. That is the only difference. And then aninde. That I don't think that's it. It is. Well, we can try it. In our code, would it run? It has to. You have no choice but to run. Please work. I am streaming. Thank you, Silent Michael or Michael. Yeah, Silent Michael is Michael number 1. The other one is Bach, not back. Bach. All right. By the way, in Arabic, Bach is called Bach, which I don't know if that's the German version or not. Because yeah, I don't know. We're calling the models, expecting to see a record button. And I am not muted because you answered my question. Okay. Wow. Vtubing is... Yeah, I made a mistake. Unexpected source. Is it sources or is it, what do we have when for audio? Hold up. We have sources, yes. But why sources? Anyway. All right. And I have to go to the link, otherwise we cannot use mic. Mic as in the microphone. All right. While visiting. Today is a really good day. A little too cold. Stop. What do I do now? Recognize speech. I don't know what my sentiment is. I need... Yeah. And then classify the sentiment. Positive! Yay! We are very positive. The end. Anyone want to classify their sentiment? The link will be available for the next, I'm guessing 72 hours. So please go ahead and classify your sentiment. Yay. And then updating component properties. This is the last one for this section. And then we'll get to the quiz. And then hopefully the planning. I do want to do the planning. I think we'll have time. So far, we've seen how to create events to update the value of another component. But what happens if you want to change other properties of a component? Like visibility of a text box or choices in a radio button group. Oh, I really like that. You can do this by returning a component classes update method instead of a regular return from your function. This is an example. So we have change text box. We get the choice. If choice is this, update Hey, visible true to false or false to true. I like it. I have not used this, and now I know it can be done. So your Gradio element dot update. I'm guessing these lines have to do, with it being short or long. So like you can say record or upload from file, like the previous version, and then you give it sources with microphone or without. Nice. Look, long, nice, short, and then none. None is none. Visible false. Awesome. Woohoo, we did it. We just explored all the core concepts of blocks. Just like with interfaces, you can create cool demos that can be shared by using share equals true. I just shared it now. Or deployed on HuggingFace Spaces. I think the HuggingFace Spaces gives you more time to make it public, but maybe you don't want to make it public, so maybe you want to keep it private. I don't know if they have that, honestly. I should be more informed before I give recommendations. And yeah. So this wraps up the chapter on building cool ML demos with Gradio. We hope you enjoyed it. To recap, in this chapter, we learned how to create Gradio demos with the high-level interface API and how to configure different input and output modalities, different ways to share Gradio demos through temporary links and hosting on the HuggingFace Spaces, how to integrate Gradio demos with models on Spaces on the HuggingFace Hub, advanced features like storing state in a demo or providing authentication. Did we? How to have full control of the data flow and layout using blocks. If you like to test your understanding, I do, yeah. Next, take a look. These are like extra credit. There's a demo, there's a guide, and docs. Awesome. Quiz time. Are we ready for quiz time? How many questions do we have? 10. Cool. Guys, we do not cheat, but if you feel like telling me an answer, I won't look at it. I'll just glance at it. So, end of chapter quiz. Let's test what we learned in this chapter. What can you use Gradio for? I'm guessing not training your model, not debugging your model, share your machine learning models with others? I suppose not really, though. No, maybe. Yeah, 2? 2 for 2? 3? Why debug? Hold up. Okay. Why debug? Because like you're testing it and testing it is debugging? Fine. One advantage of testing with real data. Fine. But testing is not really debugging. It's just testing, you know? Debugging is like you found a problem. Testing, you're testing, you know? Am I being too pedantic? Gradio only works with PyTorch models. I am guessing that's not true. Cool. Where can you launch a Gradio demo from? Space? Anywhere. Literally anywhere, I'm guessing. Yeah. Gradio is designed primarily for NLP. Nope. Which of the following features are supported by Gradio? Multiple input and output. Yeah. State. Yeah. Username and password. I'm guessing. You said so. Automatic analytics for who uses. I don't think so. I don't think it cares who uses the app. Loading. Yeah. Yay, we got it all. Which of the following are valid ways of loading a HuggingFace model from Hub or Spaces? Okay. So spaces. I don't think we need this one. I think, wait, I think those two? No? Model? Okay. We don't have a thing called demos, I guess. Select all steps necessary for adding state to your Gradio interface. Pass in an extra parameter into your prediction function. Oh yeah, which represents, that's true. At the end of that, return it. That's also true. Add the state, input and output when creating. No. Yes, apparently. Okay, always correct. That's a good question. What is state data for persistence? So if we go back to interface class, I'm guessing. Maybe not. No, this is a very intro. Advanced. Yep, using state to persist. So the idea is, when you do a chatbot, you want history, right? To continue showing it on the interface. So here, when you have your function, this is your input, and then you can actually, yeah, see here, text box, this is the text, this is the state, this is, I did not freeze. I did freeze, the YouTube didn't. Point is, you have, it's basically a history, that's it. And the idea is that you have an extra parameter and then you send it back even so that you can use it continuously. And I guess you just call it state. So if we look at it, it says add state input and state output, meaning here. So this is your function, this is your input, this is your output. Instead of just doing the, yeah, there are no components, it's just input and output. So you need to call it, this is state. And then it gives you the history. So this example is only for a chatbot. I don't know what it would mean for audio or image, honestly. But like, it just keeps the data. Like cache or like something like that. Does that make sense? Did I lose all of my... I lost all of my answers. Would it let me complete the chapter? Does it even matter? Hold up. Like if I go back to the other chapters, does it say I have completed the chapter? Nope. All right then. I will still continue answering the rest of the questions. I think I was in, what were we in 6? 7. Yeah, so all of these 3 were correct. And then, which of the following are components included in Gradio library? We have text box. We do have graph. We have all of them. We don't have graph. Well, we have plot. Or maybe it is just a normal Python plot that you show as an image. Oh yeah, that is true. What does Gradio blocks allow you to do? Combine multiple demos. That is possible. Assign event triggers. Wait, Gradio doesn't by default. It's a blocks thing. Automatically. I don't know if it automatically determines which blocks should be interactive versus static. I don't think so. Create multi-step demos. Yeah. Okay, I guess that is also a thing. You can share public link to block demo and host block demos on HuggingFace. That is true. All right. We sort of finished. Yeah, see, they didn't persist the data. They don't have data persistence. I can go back and do the quick. This was, oh, train was the only one that was not true. Here it was no. I think I have a good, what is it called? Short-term memory. No. Multiple data, this. No and yes. And then the only one that was not true is this one. Ta-da! All done. Yeah, I do have a good short-term memory. All right. I'm not gonna go here. Alrighty. So, let's do a, where should I need to go? Here. Learn. There we go. Before I talk about what's behind me. So that was, should I go back to the NLP course to say what that was? Yeah, we can do that. Let's go back to the NLP course. So that was building and sharing demos for the NLP course on HuggingFace. That is the unit that we finished. It is unit number 9. There are 2 more that they added very recently, so it's probably newer. Actually, this Gradio one is also very recent. Everything else was, I think, from 2021. 2021. So that is our Learn NLP or the NLP course on HuggingFace. Can you tell that I'm not planning on continuing the last 2 units? Because over the last, I can check when I first did the first stream. Should we do that? Chat, should we do that? I want to, because let's go to YouTube Studios without sharing the screen, obviously. Go to my list of content, go to my lives, and actually, no, playlist. Ya Allah. Thank you. Oh, hey, Noir is here. Did you chat and I did not notice? And you were like, listen to me. You didn't chat. I would have noticed, I swear. What's up, Noir? How are we doing? How's life? How is school? Is school treating you well? Because if it ain't, okay. Is internet good? Yes, internet is good. So why is this loading? Just listening. Life is cooked. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because I don't think life being cooked is a good thing. Maybe like medium rare, something. Alrighty. Going back to sharing the screen. What do we see? A playlist. Huh. Oh, wow. Okay, so number 1 is in May. Why did I think I started this exam that I was prepping for did not go good? So when was the exam, if I may ask? Was it like a few days ago, or was it like very more recent or less recent? Because like sometimes you feel like something didn't go well, but it went okay, which is fine, you know? Back to the job market now, we'll give it next year too. Did you not pass? 15th. Okay, 2 weeks ago. Like, did you get the results back, or are you just saying it did not go well? Inshallah, it will be all right. There are sometimes where doors close in front of me, and it does make me sad. It's happened multiple times, obviously. And maybe later on you'll realize that was for the best, you know? Gradio demo is neat. Thank you. I didn't write it. It was already there. But I did run the code. Yeah. You are neat, Silent Michael. You are also neat. Yeah, so sometimes things don't happen, but it's for the best, even though we don't see it. Like, yeah, I have an example that is like currently happening. Actually, I have 2 examples where I'm like, I don't know what is the positive thing about this happening, but it will show itself in the future, you know? So you don't see it. I will pass, but you needed to be in top 100 out of 500. Ah, for the rank of the college that you wanted. Okay. Okay. It's difficult, like, comparing yourself to other people, but you have no choice, you know? Like, the system is designed in a way that you will be compared to other people. I know you are studying for a master's, and I don't really have anything to comment on about it because it's your life. But have you thought of, like, it's just a question, I swear. Have you thought of online masters, or is that something, whoa, out of 50,000 people? Wow, 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 wow. That's a lot of people, and that's going to be really competitive. Like, because I know there's an online masters for Georgia Tech, the OMSCS online masters for computer science. And I know some governments do not accept online masters, mine being one of them. But it is something that I wanted you to at least look into if you feel like it, just to like see what's out there. Because Georgia Tech is obviously one of the pretty good universities out there. Pretty good. Anyway, I didn't realize I started streaming May for this course. Exactly this course, because I've been streaming for a while. Very interesting. And it's February, so it has not been a year. I thought it's been a year that I'm going through this course. Yeah. So my plan for this side is like, let's plan out March. Why? Because March is going to be Ramadan, and Ramadan planning is going to be different. I'll look into it, but need your financial stability first, obviously. Yeah, of course. I will also say that, again, we are in different situations. I was a full-time employee when I was doing my master's. So I get the making sure that you are financially stable before you do the development part of your learning, you know? So, yeah. Even if I apply for a PhD, I'm like, I know I cannot be a full-time employee, but I still need to somehow make money because I got my bachelor's like for free because education is free here, but my master's was not for free. I had to pay it, and I did. Okay, so planning for March. Types of streams that I can do. I can do the normal study with me. Let's do a bullet point. By the way, so we have the NLP streams, which I still need. Streams that has HuggingFace. HuggingFace is one word, I think, and then the CMU lectures. And then the study with me's, which is co-working. Streams that I normally could do. Thing is, for Ramadan, my schedule is, I have a 9 to 5, probably like 8 to 4, but you get the point. And sunset to, like, from sunset to eating to sleeping, it's going to be a short time. I guess like sunset is around going to work, coming back to work. And then I have like a few hours, and then it's sunset, which means it's eating time. And then time will fly, and then it will be sleeping time. So I do not really have time for evening streams. Are like, whoa, that's not how you write stream. Streams are just a no-no unless it's the weekend, but is it still a no-no? I don't know. So, okay. Working days, wording, really? Working days, evening streams no. But weekends, I could switch it into the evening. Like right now, today's the weekend. And if I do my NLP streams during the weekend and have them be evening streams, which would be like 12 hours from now. Yeah, I could do that. That seems doable. Help me, guys. Help me. Because, I guess, I will probably need to take a week break because there's a chance of me traveling, but it's not confirmed. So that's going to be something that I will let you guys know. But otherwise, I don't think I will need that much break, because so evening streams are not a thing for the normal working day, but morning streams, I'm thinking I wake up, sunrise, and I don't go back to sleep. I don't think they are a no-no, honestly, because if it is a co-working stream, then I will need to talk, like sometimes just 1/4 of the time, Hi, Noir. I mean, we were just talking, the hi was for your emote. So the plan in my head is that I'm going to be awake from sun up to sundown and then just sleep in, like sleep early, not sleep in. What do we think? It's me, I'm talking about me. So, but it's just interesting to ask chat because I know you guys have your own schedules and you don't have to tune in, but if you feel like it, especially for the co-working ones would be like, I would end it 15 minutes ago because it would be a work time and I would need to go to work. But I still could do 2 hours in the morning, which is like, if I work on my homework for 2 hours in the morning, even if it's 3 days instead of all the 5 days, you know how big of a plus that is for me? 2 hours, that's so much. Because I'm a bit behind with my studying, because I have normal homework to do, and I never do video editing. I want to do editing as well. What else? If I do, so that's what I'm thinking. Like, wake up 5 in the morning, do not go back to sleep, do a morning stream, go to work, come back exhausted. Don't sleep. Break your fast, and like obviously read the Quran and stuff, because I need that to be after work before breaking the fast, and then just sleep in as soon as possible, maybe like 9. I think that would be fair. That's my tentative schedule for Ramadan, and I think it's doable. I don't know how doable, but I think it could be doable. Reading is also a thing. Like right now I need to read a paper. I have not. I read like half of it. I need to continue reading the paper later. What else? I have a PPT to finish prepping, and I can do that the first week of Ramadan, but not later, because so let's add a new page and do a for me, let's start from Sunday to, what time is it right now? It's don't you that would be after, no, obviously I would start the stream after I've locked my math. Prepare for fasting. Yeah. Because I wouldn't start the stream at 5 a.m. How will you make time to stream in the morning? So I have this 2-hour stretch of time where I could go back to sleep, but I don't want to. So it's like after you've locked in the eating, like after morning prayer. Because when morning prayer happens, let's eat. Let's I am looking at something. Planner. Weekly planner. I'm gonna create a weekly planner. A weekly schedule planner, sure. On Canva. Ta-da. Something. Ooh, this is so pretty. A normal weekly planner. Like, this is too pink for me. I need something that's dead inside, you know? Weekly. Oh, come on. Hey, this is fine. No, it's a pro. I had a really cute one last time. Where did it go? Oh, this is a penguin. You know what? I'm just going to weekly schedule. Maybe not planner, maybe just a weekly schedule. This looks fine. This is fine. This is fine. Fighting, that's cute. So I'm gonna go back to my PPT and then come back to this planner thingy. But like Sunday to Thursday, I could do morning streams for about 2 hours, which are co-working. See, the planner is probably more useful. I don't know. I'm just gonna add text. And then zoom in maybe. Alrighty. Come here. So, co-working, study with me / co-working. I'm gonna need to add a UTC. UTC would be. Should I add UTC or should I add what is it? The American time, the standard, something standard? US. No, it's not UST, is it? No. So we have the. Wait, what? How many times do we have? So GMT is UCT, right? Universal Standard something, US. I am. You should add cooking food, don't rely on others. Hey, I don't cook. I don't cook. Even if I could, I would not. It is one of my. Is pet peeve a word? Yeah, I will never cook. You expect me to cook? I will not. Sorry, I'm sorry. This has nothing to do with you. It has to do with my society and me being angry with the fact that women are expected to cook, even when they don't want to. I am so sorry. This is something that I can rant about forever. And that's why I will never cook, even if I can. I'd rather starve. Sorry. I just got angry. I can easily be made angry. Yes, too cute for me. Yeah. Okay, should I show you the cute one that I had before? I think we can go home. There's a cute one that I had that was half dead inside. There it is, see? This is the cute one. Tell me this isn't cute, but also somewhat dead inside. This was a, look at how cool this is. Can I cook? I can follow a recipe, you know? I can follow a recipe. If my life depended on it, I can make an omelet for myself. If I cook, yes, I would rather starve. Yeah, if I cook, I will cook for myself, not for others. And others does count siblings. I will not cook for anyone. I don't like expectations that society has for women. Anywho, Yeah, this is a sore spot for me. Yep. I will try and be chill about it. So yeah, study with me slash co-working streams. If I say 3 a.m. GMT, then that would scare people. It should be like something like, what is New York time? I mean, not New York Times, but the time that is. Yeah, cooking for myself. That is possible. Yes, I can follow a recipe. Yeah. So US Standard Time would be EST. There we go. Not, yeah, UCT is the European one and EST is the American one, where it's currently 7:30 p.m. Meaning going back 2 hours would be 5 p.m. Nice. 5 p.m. EST. So now that's less scary. 3 a.m. GMT is very scary. So why is it Monday? Oh, it's Monday. My brain said Sunday. Okay. So I prefer, yeah, Monday, Wednesday. Huh. Because the other one would be duplicate. What's up? What did I do? What did I do? Wait, why can't I grab you? No. What did I do? Wait, why? I did something. I messed something up. See, why did this grab thingy went away? 어떡해? If I delete you, yes, you go away. All right, so the copy didn't work. Copy paste. Now you worked. Nice. Okay, I can grab you. Oh, come on. You're being unreasonable. There we go. So this is going to be an NLP learning stream. It would not be PM EST. It would be. Then I would need California time for that one. No, let's keep it the same. But like, if I ask for 12 hours later plus 14 hours later would be 5 a.m. 7 a.m. EST? Is that right? Are these 14 hours apart? And hopefully that can be done on 2 different days. So my Saturdays and my Fridays are cool. And then the studies would be, hi Sunday, Sunday's here. Okay. Study with me would be, these are mostly tentative, but I would like it to be, for now, 2 days. So Sunday would be off, and then Monday, Tuesday off, Wednesday. Yes. And these are morning streams for me. These are evening streams for me. Cool. Does that make sense? Let's add some cute, but also, no, they have to be cute, not dead inside. Definitely not dead inside. Yes, these are live streams. So all of them would be live streams. That's too big. Everything is a live stream. Like, why do I have to put it? I guess, like, I can say, I can mark the days, live stream days. Like this. And then these. And then these. Ta-da. Fancy. What do we think? And then these are, CL is resting days. Yes, thank you, Ramadan. Woo! This is going to be my Ramadan schedule. So cute. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Ramadan schedule. Tentative again, very tentative. Let's call it Ramadan weekly schedule. GULE. Do I get it right? Okay, a bit more. Huh, too much? Just enough. Lovely. And then we can add a text element that says, I'd rather be using this one. Wait, which one is more? I don't know. Which one is nicer to look at? Doesn't matter. CL is going to be taking Ramadan taking it. How do I say I'm gonna be chill during Ramadan? Going to be chilling during Ramadan? Chilling? No, during Ramadan. Yeah. But also the cats need to be fed, you know? Yeah. Cats won't be fasting. All right. Any other nice? I like this Ramadan one. What is happening here? Why is it like this? So let's do some study graphics. Books. Laptop. You know? People study with a laptop, I think. Nowadays kids are so cute. Yeah, but you know, I'd rather not. Oh, I like this. I like this. And then, yeah. No, don't. Okay. This is our study with me days. What should we put as a LLM sticker? I mean, you know, NLP, LLM stuff. Let's do a. Do we do a robot? This is cute. Aww. Why not? I like this one. None of them are dead inside. I guess I do like cute things. Sue me. And then these are NLP days. Woo. By the way, I'm gonna turn this into a GIF. So I don't mind putting stuff that moves. It's actually pretty cute. And for the month of March, actually no week. I'm keeping it a weekly planner for the month of March. Make it. Oh. Wait. Do I add a text element myself? White one. Merci, March. For the month of March. Week of. Okay. Week of every week. Every week? Question mark? I don't know. We'll see. I don't trust myself. You guys shouldn't trust me as well. Good? Does this make sense? 4 streams a week? I think it makes sense for me. 4 resting days. Wait a second. Why are there 4? No, 3 resting days. That's how the week works. Add fairy lights. Because that's an important. Internet went away? Hello? Did the internet go away? I think something happened while I was not looking at. This is so cute. I'm gonna die now. Ramadan fairy lights! I mean, Ramadan lights without the fairies. 어떡해. What do I do with this? How does this work? Help. Where do I put this? Here? No. Here? Maybe? A bit to the side, maybe? And then we duplicate it, and then we flip it. Duplicate. And then flip. And then we put it on the other side. Whoa. Look at me graphic designing. This is so cute. Stream is back, right? I don't know if I prefer this one, because... Whoa, where did it go? Oh, hi. That's too much. Whoa. See, I don't like the fact that the background is white. Nothing looks nice on it. Can we change the background into something dead? Oh, yes, we can. And then everything will die. We'll get to that. Less dead? Oh my god, that's so cute. How does this work? Buffered for a second. It was... No, it was me. I noticed that it was me. Oh, right. So this is what this slide looks like. What does this slide look like? Oh, stars. 100% stars. And you? No, we're good. And what else? Did I find another one? I think we're good. I think I'm gonna chill. But this stars one, it's so Ramadan. I'm gonna cry now. How can I make it less this shape? Not good. Maybe I could make a duplicate and have like one be on this side and then one be on that side. Yeah, that looks nice. I think I'm overdoing it with a graphic. But as if such a thing has ever existed. No. I don't like this color. White is better. Okay. And for these ones, you, and 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 you. What's happening? Can we just go white? We could, right? Oh no, we didn't. Oh, okay. Color? White. Or maybe like a off-white, like a gray? Yeah, I like gray. Okay. Cool. Chat, you can definitely go do something more productive than look at me fill out my planner. You're not, you don't have to be here. I'm just enjoying this right now, planning for the future. Which is starting tomorrow. My future starts tomorrow. The future is now, people. Yes. Uh-oh, I think I effed something up. Did I? Nah. Did it work? No. I messed something up. Color. Gray. Please do that. Uh-huh. Did we do it? We did it this time. And then you should be black, I'm guessing? Or like just a darker gray. Ooh, I like this. Okay. Interesting. I like the dark gray on this one. Oh. March. And the dark gray on that one. Should we keep everything be dark gray? Maybe this one as well. Or a light gray, so that it's not too loud when people are looking at it. Do we say have a blessed Ramadan? Blessed day? Is that weird? If it's weird, I'm gonna try and make it less weird. If it's too preachy, I can make it less preachy. Because as much as it is khair to do da'wah, I'm not gonna force anyone to do things they're uncomfortable with. There we go. Yay! Okay. I think I'm happy with this. And it's not even dead inside, which, like, our goal is successfully accomplished. No, failed. It failed successfully. Any notes on the fairy lights? Do we need to add something at the end to make it cute? Let's search Ramadan. Can you tell I really love Ramadan? Oh, look, it's so cute. Ramadan Mubarak. Should we add that somewhere? Would that scare people? I really love the fact that sometimes Arabic text scares people. That one I am not going to be. I'm watching to find out if we end up with a dead inside or cute hey or somewhere in between. Cute inside. Look at this graph. That was a meme. I'm gonna remove the Ramadan Kareem one, and maybe add this one. Or is that can I squish it? I want to squish it. I cannot squish it. Can I make it edit? I want to make it squished. Oh, there we go. Unlock? Did I? Oh no, I locked it. And then this lantern needs to be somewhere. Okay. Yeah. Statement piece. Definitely, for sure. Okay. And the moon. Like, I am stopping myself and won't be adding those side things. Maybe I will. Should we? Because if I flip it vertically, I can make it be a corner piece. I am doing too much. In design, they say don't do too much. And I'm out here doing too much. I am not a designer. That is obvious. And we make another one. And then we flip it horizontally. And now we have two pieces. The above does not need any help. Down here, we need a little bit of help. Like, I want this to be here. And maybe it can be here. I apologize. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. I'm gonna stop. No. Ramadan. Ooh. Oh, this is a pro. We're not using money. You expect me to use money? Lights. Ramadan Mubarak. The moon. It's a pro. Not gonna use it. Oh, tasbih. And it's for free. I am absolutely using this one. I love the tasbih emoji. I use it way too much. I am having so much fun right now. But I'm going to put this to like take to back, all the way back to back. Yeah. And maybe make it smaller. Yeah. Are we in the middle? We are in the middle. A bit smaller. Stay in the middle. We are staying in the middle. Okay. But yeah, tasbih is like my favorite emoji. There's a tasbih emoji, if you guys don't know. This one is too basic now. I saw far more cute ones. Okay, one more search for Ramadan, and then we shall stop. I want to see shapes. Right, yeah, no. Frames. I did fine with frames. Graphics. Ooh. Yeah, see, these are Ramadan lights. Where do we want these lights? I want them to be 50% transparent and like all over. They say too much is too much. Well, yes, that's true. Too much is too much. Oh my god, this is too much. Ta-da! Is 50%? I'm thinking I should do this. Like, link them. Oh no, is that possible? Can we do this? Feels impossible. A bit more. Another turn. We shall link this a bit more. I'm gonna call this linked. And then link it actually. Come on, help. Wait, why can't I group them? Hey. Uh-oh. Okay, can we go at least lower? Do I control? Nope, did not work. Command does not work. Come on. I'll just, if I, no. I lose. I'm lost. Is this cute or dead? No, it's definitely cute. This is too cute. But I feel like it's loud. Maybe this is even 30%. 23. Nice. Yeah, I think that's fine. Ta-da! Do not let me add more. Oh no, I'm late. I'm gonna post this on Blue Sky, Twitter, YouTube, Discord. Oh my god, this is so cute. No. Okay, I'll stop. Did I add any Ramadan Kareems? I will add a Ramadan Kareem instead of have a blessed day. Because I don't know why. Is this, can I, oh, you can change the color. Do you guys know why everything is yellow? Because Ramadan is like symbolized as being night and stars are yellow. And that's why, I think. Stars are not yellow, I know. They're white, but you get the point. A fire is yellow. Ta-da! Okay. And yeah. Too loud, but cute nonetheless. And the gray makes it be at least a bit dead inside. I think we win. I think that's it for today's stream. So yes, this is the schedule for hopefully Ramadan. Inshallah, if all goes well. And I think I have the time. I think the time is fine. I can make these bold just to stand out a bit more. And that's it. Inshallah, if you can, see you then. If not, that is all right. Sometimes life happens and we can't do stuff. My brain is not here. Yeah, I like it. I wish you a lovely March, and I hope you wish me a blessed Ramadan. I'm excited. And I do have a plan that might not happen, but if it does, I hope you support me. Yay. Thank you for being here during this chaotic stream. Remove the line at the top. Oh yeah, I agree with you. Absolutely. This line. This line. This is not the line. I agree with you. I need to make this go. No, not all the way back. Where is it? What did I do? Still here. Position. Back. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Better? Oh yeah, I forgot to add my face. I need my face to be here somewhere. Which face do we want? This is pretty cute. Here's Ciel. She's going to be here. And obviously I need to add some of my socials later. Or even right now. Right now is later. These are all the social medias. Where do we add them? I have no idea. Oh, did I not copy? What did I click? This whole group. Copy. Paste. Oh, it's... Uh-oh, I did it twice. Delete? No, I did not do it twice. We put them... Smaller version right here. Next to Ciel. And probably on the side. Yeah. That works. No. I suppose that should work. Oh yeah, I remember moving this. No, stop. Hold up. Okay, edit. Can we edit? You. Cut. Nope. Alright then. That's not how it works. So I guess it has to be like this. I don't like it that way. Who cares? No one. Okay, I do. No, I don't like it that way. I'm just gonna copy the text. Maybe delete this section. And even this section. You stay. There we go. And then we put it on the side. Go to this side, the other side. There we go. And are we good? We will not be apologizing this time. But we will always in the future. Yeah, that's about it. Cool. Done. Now it's way too much. No, it is better. Obviously better. Way better. Okay. But I will keep this line for some reason. I really should go. But this needs to be like... No, that's too much. This needs to come down a notch, but like not too many notches. That's good. Maybe? Okay. And that is how you don't design. Because how long did this take me? Half an hour? I don't know. It shouldn't take a person this long. Or maybe it should. Yeah. And now I realize, because my hand is out, I should put the tasbih on in my hand, because it looks cuter. Don't you think? Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And now I'm doing tasbih. I'm doing dhikr. I actually have a electric tasbih. No, what do you call it? The counter thingy. Electric tasbih. Yeah? Oh yeah. See? Wow, there are some really fancy ones in there. Does anybody know about these things? It's called a tasbih. I have like 3 versions of these. Where's the smaller one? There's a smaller one now. Yeah. It helps you count your dhikr. That's it. That's its only job. So you could use it for anything that you like that it has to do with counting. These ones are really fancy. Oh, you even tell time? Not to that level. Well, cute with a pinch of dead inside. I could not agree more. I guess the background is the only thing dead, but I like dark gray if you cannot tell by my layout. What overlay? That's the word. I think the colors are the same, maybe. I saw Nap do a stream background on Canva, and it's like stuck with me. I should do a stream background on Canva. some other day. So yes, inshallah, some other day I might do that, because my stream background is just a picture I found on Google. I Googled stream background free like 3 or 4 years ago, and I got an AI image. You can tell it's an AI image. Yeah, I should definitely use something that is mine next time, even though nothing is, I guess, mine. Even the model I'm using is not mine. It's from an app. Anywho, thank you for being here again, and inshallah we can see each other in March, which is tomorrow. Thank you, Silent Michael, for not being silent. You can be however you like. I'm not forcing you to be something you're not comfortable with, but for the time being, I like that you are talking. And do feel if you feel comfortable, I would ask you to continue talking. All right. I am going to go and start my day. Yeah. I'm gonna end the stream with a countdown of 5. If there's anything, do let me know. Otherwise, yeah, wish me luck. Yeah, wow, my brain is just went away. Happy Friday, hoping you have a lovely weekend ahead, and ending the stream pretty soon. Thank you so much for being here. I hope I didn't bore you with the design. I had fun. I hope you did as well. And yeah, thank you. I'm gonna go in 5, 4, 3, thanks to you. 2, and I really should have end of stream graph. I have a start of stream graph, but I don't have an end of stream graph. I'm gonna work on that, and my screen is being mean. Okay, all right. Thank you. Best of luck to you too. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bye. Thank you, bye.